Okay, so let me help you with some of the useful tips and the mistakes that you might be doing at the time of speaking. So here I am with some of the useful fluency tips that you can use and improve your fluency in real time. So now let's move ahead and let's talk about the common mistake that you shouldn't do. Now moving on to how we are going to talk about it and how we are going to improve it. So first of all, I want to tell you that what is fluency. I know for many people fluency is nothing, but जब हम बहुत तेजी से बोलते हैं, बहुत एकदम स्पीड में बोलते हैं, विदाउट थिंकिंग कि हम क्या बोल रहे हैं और विदाउट कंसिडरिंग कि क्या हम ग्रामेटिकली सही बोल रहे हैं या नहीं बोल रहे हैं, वो मैटर नहीं करता है. इफ यू थिंक दिस इज फ्लुएंसी, देन इट इज नॉट फ्लुएंसी. Fluency is not with respect to the speed of your speaking. It's more of the way you are speaking, the way you are presenting the thoughts, whether you are grammatically correct or not, whether जो आपकी intentions हैं, जो आप बोलना चाहते हो, क्या आप उसको सही से बोल पा रहे हो कि नहीं बोल पा रहे हो, that is fluency. So if I can just give you a definition of fluency, so basically fluency is ability to speak smoothly, confidently and without unnatural pauses. Unnatural pauses is when you use a lot of fillers or you use unnecessary pauses for the same. Many learners focus only on the grammatical and vocabulary, but fluency matters equally in real life conversation and exams like IELTS speaking. So today we are going to learn some of the aspects. Today we are going to uncover 3 big mistakes that's going to stop you sounding, definitely a person who is not at all familiar with the English language. Now moving on, what are these 3 mistakes that you usually do at the time of speaking जो आपके band score को hamper कर रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा. Now, I've done enough of the hype creation. Now, let's move to the real thing. Now, here is the first mistake, thinking in your native language. Now, I know you guys might have heard कि English में सोचा करो, English में बात किया करो, English में movies देखा करो, English में music सुना करो. I know, even if you do all these things, but still, क्या ये वो चीज़ improve करेगी that is accurate? These are the common examples or common activities जो एक बंदा आपको करने के लिए कह सकता है. लाइक आप मिरर के सामने बोलो, आप इंग्लिश मूवीज देखो, आप प्रैक्टिस करो, बट हाउ यू गोइंग टू डू इट? तो व्हाट इज दैट वन डेफिनेशन ऑफ फ्लुएंसी जो आपके दिमाग में है एंड हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू डील विद इट? So basically what happens is like you translate sentences in your head before speaking. Of course that is true. I truly accept it, I truly acknowledge it, and I think it is the best way to do. But now here's a twist. What exactly you are doing? This causes unnatural pauses and confusion. No doubt it is the right thing to do, but the right way, definitely not. Let me help you out in what you do and what needs to be done. For example, a native thought can be मुझे पानी पीना है and me want water drink. So basically अगर हम मुझे पानी पीना है, so basically अगर इसको हम exact sheer हिंदी में translate करें तो it's going to be me want water drink, which is definitely not a sentence. Correct तो दूर की बात है, ठीक है? So how to fix it? So basically start thinking in English for daily thoughts. I mean, don't go for lengthy sentences at once. एकदम से देखो, अगर तुम लोग को लगता है कि आप एकदम से शशि थरूर बन जाओगे तो वो तो नहीं हो पाएगा. देखो, you need some time to process on what you are saying. You need some time to process, you need some time to understand कि what is grammatically correct. And देखो, fluency is not something जो आपको एक दिन में आ जाएगी. वो मैथ्स का कोई 2 का टेबल नहीं है, 3 का टेबल नहीं है, 4 का टेबल नहीं है जो आप रट लोगे और आप एक बार में बोलना शुरू कर दोगे तो आपको याद हो जाएगा. Definitely this is not what fluency is. I've seen a lot of people on Instagram as well who think that it's speaking really good. I mean, confidence level top notch, a huge respect for them. But at the same time, fluency की अगर हम बात करें तो fluency का मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि आपको बहुत तेजी से इंग्लिश में कुछ भी बोलना है. अगर आपको तेजी से इंग्लिश में कुछ भी बोलने को फ्लुएंसी कहते हैं तो आप ए फॉर एप्पल, बी फॉर बॉय, सी फॉर कैट, डी फॉर डॉग, ये सारी चीजें एकदम लाइन से बोलोगे, बट इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू मेक एनी सेंस except is just the alphabets and the meaning that you're trying to present. राइट इस चीज को ध्यान से सुनो, इस चीज को ध्यान से समझो. फ्लुएंसी का मतलब होता है इफ यू आर एबल टू एक्सप्लेन सामने वाले पर्सन को कि आपको जो चीज आपके मन में है क्या वो आप एक्सप्लेन कर पा रहे हो. नाउ फ्लुएंसी इज somewhat with respect to the pace or speed, but इफ यू नो, अगर आप लोग फॉलो करते होगे अ गुड मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर्स को, अगर आप टेड टॉक्स देखते हो, अगर आप संदीप महेश्वरी बीइंग अ वेरी मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर, इफ यू फॉलो हिम एंड इफ यू with respect to, I'm just giving you an example, with respect to him, if you follow many other people, even if you follow celebrities, you might notice when it comes to speaking, celebrities are very calm, composed, they speak very slow so that whatever they are addressing, that shouldn't be miscommunicated, that should be equally communicated to everyone, and that is easy to understand, at the same time understandable to their audience. So अगर कोई सेलिब्रिटी है, कोई स्पीकर है, कोई भी अगर कोई चीज बोलते हैं, even if you have heard our honorable prime minister, he speak really slow. What do you think? Are they not fluent? What do you think? क्या उन्हें fluency नहीं आती होगी? What do you think that they don't know how to speak? Of course, they are the master in speaking. They know how to speak. So a sign of a good speaker is not when you go on without a break, but it's the person who takes a pause, thinks, process, and then says it to you. Now that becomes very easy for you to understand. Also, it's going to give me time to think on what I need to speak next. This is what fluency is. So to all the people out here, अगर आपको लगता है fluency का मतलब होता है तेजी से बोलना बिना रुके, definitely not. ठीक है? Now let's talk about mistake number 2, that is speaking too slowly or overcorrecting. I understand that you have that self awareness कि आप अगर गलत बोलते हो, आप एनालाइज करते हो, फिर आप उसको सही करते हो. Really good. No complaints at all. Now let's see what usually happens. Learners try to be too perfect. This makes speech robotic or hesitant. देखो, a normal human being फंबल करता है. इस चीज को एक्सेप्ट करो. अगर तुम फंबल नहीं कर रहे हो तो या तो आप एआई हो या तो फिर आप स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ रहे हो. डेफिनेटली आप हर सबसे बात करते टाइम पे स्क्रिप्ट नहीं पढ़ सकते हो, इवन इफ यू ट्राई टू डू सो. Right, like right now, if I want to be too perfect, I'm still gonna fumble, I'm still gonna correct myself, I'm still gonna take a pause, I'm still gonna process, I still need some time to process, I still am going to correct myself, I'm just trying to be way too perfect for you कि आपको सब चीज समझ में आ जाए without helping myself on how I can do it. That's what I'm talking about. You don't have to be too slow, you don't have to be too fast. Keep a normal pace like you usually do in your native speaking. But at the same time, don't try to correct it. Don't try to be perfect. देखो language है, चीजें इधर से उधर होती हैं, fumble आप तब भी करोगे. Now that doesn't give you a validation कि आप गलत बोल रहे हो. Now there's a difference. Speaking normally and fumbling, that doesn't give you a validation कि आप गलत बोल रहे हो या आपको ऐसे नहीं बोलना चाहिए. Still need to see, there's always a scope of improvement. जिस दिन आपको लग गया कि आपको इस लैंग्वेज पे प्रोफेशनलिज्म आ गई है, now you have had a really good command over that language, you'll stop growing in that language, trust me. Even for me, there is always a scope of improvement, there is always room for improvement, there is always a space for improvement. So definitely हम किसी भी language को पूरी तरीके से command नहीं कर सकते हैं, because there is some or the other thing left to learn, right? So I went to the market and I bought some fruits. I bought some fruit. So this is self-correction, right? Take it. Practice chunking. Speak in phrases, not word by word. So basically what you can do, I went to the market and I bought some fruits. So that sounds correct, fluent, and perfect at the same time. So you don't have to take a pause with respect to each and every word or letter that you're using. Nahi. Speak in chunks. So last night I went for a movie and it was amazing. Now that's how you present it, right? Now moving on to the third mistake, using too many fillers. Fillers distract the listeners and lower your confidence. Don't do it. Okay? So we have a habit of building up or filling in the gaps that we usually make at the time of speaking. So you don't have to do it. Just take your time. Take the time to figure out the gap. So basically, your tongue and your brain has to coordinate and have a really good synchronization at the time when you're speaking. So isko fill in karne ke liye, it is important to take a time, fill in the gap, and then go ahead. Take it. Now, what you can do is speak for a minute about your morning routine, favorite movie, what do you do on a rainy day. Make sure not to be too fast, not to be too slow. Speaking chunks, translate it in your head, but at the same time, make sure you are speaking it correct and take some time. Fumbling is totally fine, but if you're fumbling a lot and you're using a lot of fillers, you need to use a lot of fillers. Make sure you work on the gap that is being created at the time you're speaking. Okay? Chalo. So yeah, that's all. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for being here. I hope this is going to help you. And make sure you practice all these things. And let me know in the comments how it helped you. And we'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.